Earth view from Earth as a borderless planet. When astronauts first began venturing into space in the 1960s, one of the most profound experiences they reported was seeing Earth from afar. It's a breathtaking sphere of blue oceans, swirling white clouds, green and brown land masses, all floating in the pitch black awareness of space. From space, the political boundaries we use on map disappears. Continents and countries are visible only as patterns of land and water, not as separate territories. The famous Earthrise photograph taken during the Apollo 8 mission in 1968 is one of the earliest iconic images showing Earth as a small fragile ball suspended in space, reminding humanity of its shared experience. Astronauts describe a feeling called the overview effect, a cognitive shift in awareness where the planet's unity and fragility becomes intensely clear, fostering a sense of global responsibility and peace. On Earth, we regularly use borders to separate nations, peoples, languages, and culture. But borders are essentially human-made lines drawn on maps, often arbitrary. Change over time through history due to war, treaties, colonization, and diplomacy can create divisions, conflicts, and a sense of us versus them. From space, these borders vanish. The mountains, rivers, and ocean remain, but political lines are invisible. What this teaches us is that we are all part of the same ecosystem, sharing the same atmosphere, water cycle, and biosphere. We are interconnected environmentally, economically, and socially, even if we often fail to see it in day-to-day life. Viewing Earth from space as borderless reminds us of several powerful truths. One, environmental stewardship. Climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss are global problems. No single country's border can prevent these issues from affecting the entire planet. Acting in isolation is not sufficient. International cooperation is essential for protecting Earth's fragile ecosystem. Two, shared humanity. Regardless of nationality, ethnicity, or culture, all humans share the same basic needs for clean air, water, and a safe environment. This perspective cultivates empathy and respect for people everywhere. Three, peace and cooperation. Many conflicts arise due to territorial dispute or resource competition. Recognizing Earth as one borderless home encourages peaceful solutions and collaboration instead of division and conflict. 4. Technological and scientific cooperation. The International Space Station is a prime example. 15 nations have come together to build and maintain a habitable laboratory orbiting Earth. It represents the potential for humanity to cooperate beyond borders. While the vision of a borderless planet is inspiring, we must acknowledge that 1. Political borders define legal, economic, and social jurisdiction essential to governance. 2. National identity and sovereignty are deeply tied to history and culture. 3. The transition to more global cooperation requires overcoming significant political and social challenges. But the view from space serves as a reminder, a goal to aspire towards greater unity, greater shared responsibility. As we close, I invite you to remember the image of Earth from space, not as a patchwork of divided lands, but as a single beautiful and fragile island in the vast cosmic ocean. How will you contribute to caring for this planet that we all share? How can you promote understanding beyond borders, helping humanity to work together for a sustainable and peaceful future? Let's embrace the borderless Earth perspective, not just as a poetic idea, but as a guide to action. Kindly follow us for more space updates. Like, share, comment, subscribe, follow.